Hi, my lovely ones. My name is Ethony, and I'm inviting you to a free 7-part Modern Witchcraft 101 series with my Awaken Soul Coven. And this year, we're having two celebrations. One is a Halloween fun night happening on the 30th of October, and the other one is our Yule celebration. So those are open to everyone who wants to celebrate these times of year. Starting on the 30th of October, you can come and get dressed up and celebrate Samhain with like-minded people, with games and quizzes and so much fun stuff. And then our actual outer court, our sessions on what it is to experience or study modern witchcraft, starts on November 6th. All the information, all the call details are down below. I hope you will join us and celebrate this time of year and see if this path of the modern witch is for you. The coven is open to everybody, no matter where you're from, your background. We welcome you. We've been running since 2016, and I have members who are dear friends of mine, and we are from all over the world and have all sorts of practices that we incorporate into our eclectic path. So I hope to see you in Witchcraft 101, the free series starting on October 30th.